60 seconds on how to create motion blur. So we've got a moving image here. It's like a bouncy ball effect. So down here you've got various buttons which enable different things. We're going to toggle enable motion blur. Then we're going to go into the settings of our assets, toggle motion blur again. And it's as simple as that. The moving object now blurs a little bit while it's in motion. So we'll just zoom in here and take a closer look at where it actually changes. If we just stop it here, toggle the motion blur button on and off, and you can see the difference it makes.